Welcome to TELW, the English Workshop with me, Manu, your English coach.
Today's word is nepotism. What does it mean and how do you use it? Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English Workshop with me, your English coach. In this series of vocabulary videos, we're going to look at individual words or phrases and discuss around 6 aspects: pronunciation, meaning, the primary use, using the word or phrase in a sentence, a few relevant questions if any, and some synonyms again if any. Let's start look at its pronunciation. It's a 3-syllable word and first syllable is stressed. Meaning is favoring relatives or friends. Let's see how it's practically used. He was justly accused of nepotism because a minister's son got the position. The actor's son is successful because of nepotism. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get more such videos regularly. Also, don't forget to use these words in your daily conversations. Now let's look at some synonyms. Favoritism, preferential treatment. Thank you for watching this video. Liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.